Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a PayPal account for Honeygain. First, navigate to the official PayPal website using your preferred web browser. Once there, locate and click on the prominent Sign Up button, usually found in the top right corner. You'll then be prompted to choose between a personal or business account. For Honeygain, a personal account is typically sufficient for individual earnings. Next, you'll need to provide your personal details, including your name, address, and phone number. It's crucial to enter this information accurately to avoid any future issues. After reviewing and agreeing to PayPal's user agreement and privacy policy, you'll receive an email. Open this email and click the verification link to activate your new PayPal account, a vital step for security. Once your PayPal account is active, you can link it to Honeygain. First, ensure you have reached the minimum payout threshold, which is $20 within your Honeygain account. Then, navigate to the payout section in the Honeygain application or dashboard. Select PayPal as your desired payout method and carefully enter the exact email address associated with your newly created PayPal account to ensure smooth transactions. After requesting a payout from Honeygain, your earnings will be sent to your PayPal account. It's important to confirm that your PayPal account remains verified and active to receive funds without delay. Typically, you can expect your Honeygain payout to arrive within a few business days. Always double-check that the PayPal email address you provided in Honeygain precisely matches your actual PayPal account email for successful transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.